You're at a family dinner, and your cousin who bought crypto in 2021 will not stop talking. Bro, the blockchain is literally decentralized. The bull run is coming. My wallet's on cold storage. And you're just sitting there like, yeah, totally. My wallet is also cold. Very cold. I keep it next to the frozen peas. Stop nodding. You know crypto exists. You just don't know what any of those words actually mean. We're fixing that right now. Not like a finance bro. Like a friend who is mildly concerned about your cousin. Let's go. Concept 1, crypto. Everyone thinks crypto is either going to save humanity or it's a pyramid scheme wrapped in a QR code. In reality, crypto is just digital money that no bank controls. That's it. That's the tweet. Think about the Robux you bought when you were 12. Your mom couldn't see it. Your bank didn't know it existed. It lived inside the game, and you felt like a billionaire with 400 of them. Crypto is kind of like that, except instead of buying a virtual sword, grown adults are using it to buy actual houses. And your cousin is one of them, or he's trying to be, from his childhood bedroom. Concept 2, blockchain. Okay, this is the one everyone fakes the hardest. Pay attention. Imagine you and your friends are passing around a notebook. Every time someone spends money, everyone writes it down in their own copy. So if your cousin tries to say he paid you back, wrong. 1,000 people's notebooks all say he didn't. He is cooked. He is so cooked. That notebook is the blockchain. Not one computer, not one company. Thousands of computers all over the world holding the exact same record at the exact same time. Nobody can cheat it, because to change one record, you'd have to change all of them simultaneously across the entire planet. Yeah, that's actually kind of insane. Your cousin stumbled into something genuinely revolutionary, and he's using it to brag at Christmas dinner. Concept 3, Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Okay, everyone treats these like they're the same thing, and it makes people who know the difference physically ill. Bitcoin was first. It's digital gold. People buy it, stare at the chart, panic, hold it, and pray. It doesn't really do anything. It just exists and has value because everyone agreed it does, which is also true of diamonds. So maybe don't think about that too hard. Ethereum is completely different. Ethereum is an entire operating system. Developers build whole apps and financial systems on Ethereum. The difference is, Bitcoin is that one friend who does nothing, but somehow everyone respects. Ethereum is the friend who's running 3 startups, doing a master's, and still somehow at the pregame. Do not call Ethereum a Bitcoin at dinner. Your cousin will actually leave his body. Concept 4, wallet. A crypto wallet sounds like it holds your crypto. It does not hold your crypto. Your crypto lives on the blockchain, the notebook everyone has a copy of. Your wallet just holds the key that proves it's yours. Your debit card doesn't hold your money. It just proves you're allowed to touch it. Same thing, but here's where it gets dark. Lose your key, and your crypto is gone. Not locked, not recoverable, not call customer service. Gone. Forever. Into the void. No appeals. No forgot my password. No, my dog ate it. The blockchain does not care about your feelings or your dog. There is a man in Wales who accidentally threw away a hard drive in 2010 with 8,000 Bitcoin on it. That is currently worth approximately 600 million pounds. He has been trying to dig up the landfill for 4 years. They won't let him. He is not okay. We do not speak of him. Concept 5, NFTs. Okay, NFTs. The word that made the internet lose its entire mind for 2 years straight. NFT stands for non-fungible token, which sounds like something a doctor tells you before bad news. But here's what it actually means. Fungible just means replaceable. Your 10-pound note is fungible. I can swap it for another 10-pound note and nothing changes. Non-fungible means it's one of a kind. There is no swap. There is only this specific thing. So an NFT is basically a certificate of ownership on the blockchain. You're not buying the image, you're buying the proof that you own it, which is where people lost it. Because anyone can right-click and save the image. Anyone. And the NFT people would say, but I own the original. And the rest of the internet said, sir, this is a JPEG. And thus began the war that broke Twitter in 2021. Millionaires buying pixelated monkeys. People screenshotting them out of spite. Your cousin spending his student loan on a cartoon rock. Was it stupid? Maybe. Was it also a genuinely new way to prove ownership of digital things that could actually matter one day? Also maybe. The internet has not recovered. Moving on. Concept 6. Web 3. Web 3 is the concept that caused more LinkedIn posts and less actual explanation than anything in human history. Okay, so real quick. Web 1 was the internet where you could only read things, static pages, just vibes and text. Web 2 is what we have now. You can read and create. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. But here's the catch. The platforms own everything you make. Your followers, your content, your data, all of it lives on their servers. They can delete you tomorrow and you lose everything. Web 3 is the idea that the internet should be owned by the users, not the platforms. Your content lives on the blockchain. Nobody can take it down. Nobody can ban you from your own stuff. Sounds amazing, right? It's also currently extremely slow, very confusing, costs money to do basic things, and your cousin uses it to trade JPEGs of monkeys. Web 3 is the idea that we should own the internet. Whether we actually get there is a different conversation. Concept 7. Bull run versus bear market. Okay, these two are actually simple, I promise. 10 seconds. Bull market. Prices are going up. Everyone is happy. Your cousin is posting gains. The group chat is alive. Life is good. Bear market. Prices are going down. Everyone is quiet. Your cousin has not posted in 3 weeks. You check on him. He says he's fine. He is not fine. Why bull and bear? Bulls attack by thrusting their horns upward. Bears attack by swiping downward. Someone on Wall Street in 1800 thought this was a useful analogy, and now we're all stuck with it forever. That's it. That's the whole concept. You're welcome. Concept 8. Mining. Last one. Mining, which has nothing to do with Minecraft, unfortunately. Remember the blockchain notebook that everyone has a copy of? Every time a new transaction happens, someone has to verify it and add it to the notebook. That job belongs to the miners. Miners are people with extremely powerful computers that solve incredibly complex maths problems to verify transactions. First one to solve it gets to add the transaction to the blockchain. And as a reward, they get a little bit of crypto, free, for doing maths at industrial scale. The catch, those computers use more electricity than some entire countries. There are warehouses in Kazakhstan full of thousands of computers just doing maths around the clock for crypto. Your electricity bill went up last year. You're welcome, blockchain. So there it is, the crypto dictionary, decoded. No finance bro required. You now know what the blockchain actually is, why Bitcoin and Ethereum are not the same thing, why the wallet situation is genuinely terrifying, why NFTs broke the internet, and why your cousin has been quiet for 3 weeks. Which means next time he starts talking at dinner, when he says the bull run is coming, bro, I got an NFT of a monkey, it's gonna be worth millions. You look him dead in the eyes. Yeah, but is it non-fungible though? He won't know what to say. Because neither did you, until now. You're officially crypto maxed. Same time next week. Peace.